Hello everyone, hope you are all doing very well. Myself Professor Dr. Sapna Singh from Narayan Nursing College, Faculty of Nursing, Gopal Narayan Singh University, which is situated in Rohtas, Bihar. I am glad to be speaker in SciTech Central Conference on 15th Global Women's Health, Pediatric and Nursing Summit. I want to share my views about my article on leadership in nursing, a great need. Nursing is very challenging and dynamic profession which requires inspiring role models and leaders. In today's scenario, there is a great need in healthcare environment to identify and develop nurse leaders. And this is one of the greatest challenges faced by the nursing profession. Leadership means influencing, directing, and controlling the activities of an individual or group, and also keeping that group together in order to keep the objectives of the organization. Leadership is the process of influencing the related people, not having power over to them. An effective leader is an honest, forcing, inspiring, supportive, and reliable person who supports the changes, expresses his or her opinion clearly, listens people very well, and evaluates them objectively. Supports the group, respect others' opinion, and is also aware of own power also from the taken lessons from mistakes and has effective communication and management skills. Now if we talk about leadership in nursing, we look in such different way respect to leadership definition. Nurse leadership is more about coaching people rather than ordering them around. Now why leadership is important in nursing? The primary reason of leadership in nursing is to determine the goals and objectives of the organization. A nurse leader should be aware that a health sector, it is necessary to establish multi-dimensional relationships beyond the integration of the activities of the participants from different service departments. Leadership means believing in and respecting human dignity. It means listening, inspiring, and encouraging, being attentive, and upholding a rewarding culture. Leadership is the comprehensive management that constantly focuses on quality. Nursing leadership should be patient oriented. Patient oriented means considering patient holistically rather than solely in terms of their illnesses. Effective nurse leaders recognize they are imperfect and need to develop and grow in their profession. Also, it's important to remember that the human dignity values and attitude applies in both directions, from staff nurses toward those who oversee them and from nurse manager towards those they supervise. Leadership belongs to all of us. Leadership is more about coaching people than ordering them around, and micromanagement often leads to poor results. Effective leaders learn new things throughout their careers, share their knowledge, and have a courage to speak up when they encounter what they don't fully understand. Listening to staff members and acknowledging the work they do is vitally important to leadership. So, nurse leaders who supervise others organize regular open eyes and have attentive ears and take more time to listen their employees. Now, in today's world, there is a great need for leadership in nursing. All care providers organization need nurse leader to oversee staff members. Despite wanting of a healthcare talent, shortage for the last several decades. Developing new leaders has been a low priority for current administrations. Today's three factors are of particularly concern to nurse leaders. First is the growing baby boomer population. For the population management, nurse leader is very much important. Next is the increased demand for medical services presented by this group and the large number of registered nurses who will soon retire. If we look out these factors, then we understand why there is a need for leadership in nursing. It's critical that current nurse leaders groom proteges to fill the void that will be left by their exodus. Now, it's difficult time for organization to develop a pool of nurse leaders. As a result, various nursing advocates have formed alliances that they are making a new leaders. Now, let's talk about what are the important qualities the nurse leader should have. There are some important qualities the nursing executive in meeting the objective of fostering new leaders' talent. The first quality the nurse leader should have is emotional intelligence. In clinical setting, nurse leader work closely with trainees to help them develop emotional intelligence. Such support helps peer group to cope up with the stressors that they are present suffering during their routine work. Next is the integrity. Integrity for oneself and among staff is very much important for nurse leaders. Personal integrity aids nurse in making the right choices during the critical junctures in patient treating care. Next is the critical thinking. Nurse leader guides unpolished practitioners to use critical thinking to develop their ability to make decisions in difficult clinical settings. Nowadays, autonomy is very much important for nurses. It makes critical thinking a valuable professional skills for practitioners. Next is dedication to excellence. Nurse leaders are committed to their passion and purpose and exemplify their perseverance in the caregiving setting. To foster that trait among new nurses, leaders may assess performance periodically. All nurse leaders teach their charges to work with dedication to excellence by delivering top-notch health services so that trainees can learn from their expertise. Next is the communication skill the leaders must have. The nurse leader must have good communication skill to talk with all kinds of personals, whether they will be from the manager, colleague, senior or other staff members. Then next quality the nurse leader should have is professional socialization. Nurse leader gain an intense understanding of patient-nurse dynamics. Effective nurse leaders identify opportunities to develop new organization leaders during this learning process. Then respect is very much important for the nurses leader should have. Nurse leaders are passionate, dynamic influencer who inspire change in others and in the process win the respect and trust of their staff under their work. To accomplish this, leaders teach communication techniques such as two-way communication and rephrasing to promote a workplace environment where stakeholders engage each other in productive and positive manner. By understanding each other's circumstances, trainees gain respect for their peers and nurse leaders. Next quality the nurse leader should have is mentorship. Nurse leaders deploy motivational strategies that cater to the individual personalities of their trainees. By empowering trainees and guiding them towards understand their roles as care provider, nurse leader cultivate an environment of continual learning. While effective nurse leaders make every effort to identify learning opportunities among their staff workers, they give trainees enough autonomy so that they do not feel micromanaged. Then professionalism is very much important. Nursing is a dynamic profession that requires competent, confident and good communication skill also. As organization leaders, these professionals represent the nursing field at nearly every professional point of contact within the organization. This will increase in significance as nurse leaders find themselves representing in the field of boardroom more frequently as time moves forward. Then next, how we look leadership word in nursing for next generation. Leadership will change hands to a new generation of nursing talent over the next decade. These professionals will play a vital role in liaising between nurses and executive members in the evolving healthcare environment. Therefore, it is very critical that nurse leaders start cultivating their replacement now and that a new generation of nurses pursue advanced training such as Doctor of Nurse Practitioner accreditation that will allow them to practice to the full extent of their capabilities. Now, implications of leadership where we can apply this leadership. First is the nursing practice. Strong nursing leadership helps encourage other nurses to function as team unit. Nurse leaders or otherwise must have a strong interpersonal skills to be successful. They must be adopting at communicating with each other, with doctors and other staff, with the patient and their family members, and drive change by providing high quality care. Now, what are the implications of leadership to nursing education? Nursing leadership education has been identified as much needed and can be provided by many universities like at PhD level, master levels, diploma and some certificates levels, through healthcare organizations or through hospitals. It is suggested that an organizations continue to develop and support leadership training. Now, where this leadership apply in nursing research? Successful nurse leaders maintain evidence-based practices within their nursing teams. This requires that nurse leaders be up to date and well informed by current medical practices are going on in the healthcare setting. Nurse leaders should subscribe to and regularly read professional publications and health notices which are benefit for the patient. Evidence-based researches, studies and public health concern should be informed the choices made in patient care based on researches. Now let's talk about implications in nursing administration. Nurse leaders in administration are often responsible for large-scale policy planning, staff management, financial resources management, and business management, in addition to their core responsibilities of coordinating and supervising the delivery of healthcare. At conclusion point, I want to say that in healthcare and nursing, we often talk about lean thinking and transformational management, which involves a motivational coaching and inspirational style of leadership. However, whatever management or leadership style one favors, it is essential to take care of all issues related to the work environment, which includes provision of high quality care, evidence-based practices, safe environment, safe patient care, adequate human resources, justice, equality, and a clear vision of the future. Symbolically, leadership is a powerful locomotive with customer and patient and staff members as passengers on the train. Without passengers, the journey is irrelevant and nobody goes anywhere without locomotive. To ensure that the journey is swift and smooth, we must keep the locomotive in good working order and upgrade it when possible. Self-management also is very much necessary attribute for effective nurse administrators, nurse managers and staff nurses. Through self-management, leaders can better deal with growing importance of teamwork and remote work. I hope you all would understand why there is a need for leadership in nursing and how nurse leader should serve in an organization for their betterment as well as to improve patient quality care. I congratulate SciTech Central Conference for this organizing 15th Global Women's Health Pediatric and Nursing Summit. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity on this platform. Have a great year ahead. Bye-bye.